Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to make a video dedicated to natural looking lip liners. The no makeup colors, the ones that are barely there, undetectable. If you want to just put a balm over top, then you can. And I have 10 here that I have selected. I have a few drugstore price range and then a few high-end. Let me start with the Sephora collection lip liner. It's definitely in the affordable category, and I will swatch them on my arm and then I'll put them on the lip. This is the Sephora collection in Sink or Suede. This is the gel liner. This is a really nice mauve tone. What I might do is just add a bit of gloss on top. This is just a Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth. It shouldn't change the color whatsoever, but it kind of gives that nothing on the lips vibe. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 3C. This is the NYX Line Loud pencil in the color Sassy. So far out of the affordable ones, the first three were affordable. The one that comes off the fastest and is the least long lasting is the Sephora collection. It's such a beautiful color. I love that color. If it was long lasting, I'd probably wear it all day long and every day, but I do like a lip line that doesn't move around because I don't have defined lip. This is the first long lasting, this is the second, and this is the third. Now moving on to the higher end ones. This is KVD Bow and Arrow. I wanted to throw in different colors as well, just so you can sort of pick and see which undertones you might like the best. The next one is Lisa Eldridge in Fawn. The next one is Charlotte Tilbury in Iconic Nude. The next one is by Charlotte Tilbury in Love Trap. The next one is McGrath Labs in the color Structure. This one is the newest one on the market, and it's by Hourglass in Temp 3. The Hourglass one actually looks pretty identical to Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 3C. The last pencil I have is by Chanel, and it's in the color 158 Rose Natural. And that color looks actually pretty similar to the Bow and Arrow by KVD. And that's the Chanel Rose Natural. Now I'll just kind of finish it off with a gloss. So what I would say about these lip liners is that they can all pass off as being a natural no makeup lip liner. It just depends on what your purpose is. There are ones that bring a little bit more life to your face. The pinker ones, they have just a little bit more brightness. There's the cooler toned ones here that add a bit more contour, but it still looks very natural. It'll outline your lip, but just so you have a line there, and then whatever gloss you put on top, it doesn't interfere with the color. So really your gloss will stand out, your lipstick will stand out. These are colors that will just blend into your lips, blend into your face, and flatter your look. They're not meant to stand out like crazy. They're just meant to help enhance the line that should be there. So I hope this helps, and please let me know what you guys think. Please let me know if you guys have other ideas. I can do other lip line swatch and comparisons as well. Let me know what you're interested in. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.